Imagine enjoying your favorite crispy foods with little to no oil without sacrificing taste or texture. Today, we're taking a close look at this 5-liter smart air fryer designed to make healthier cooking simple, fast, and family-friendly. Powered by a 1450-watt high-performance heating system, this air fryer uses a WOS intelligent temperature control algorithm to circulate hot air evenly around your food. The result? Crispy on the outside, tender on the inside, every single time. With a generous 5-liter capacity, it's perfect for families. Whether you're cooking fries, chicken, fish, vegetables, or even baked snacks, there's plenty of room to cook full meals in one go. The touch control panel makes operation effortless. You can precisely adjust the temperature from 80 degrees Celsius to 200 degrees Celsius and set cooking times up to 60 minutes, giving you complete control over every recipe. And thanks to the visible cooking window, you can easily check your food without opening the basket and losing heat. Safety and convenience are also top priorities. The silicone non-stick coated basket ensures food doesn't stick, makes cleanup quick, and is safer for everyday cooking. The sturdy construction and high-quality materials add durability and reliability you can feel. Compact yet powerful, this air fryer fits neatly on your countertop, measuring 32 by 26 by 30.6 centimeters, while still delivering impressive performance. At just over 4 kilograms, it's solid, stable, and built for daily use. If you're looking for a smarter way to cook healthier meals with less oil, faster cooking times, and modern convenience, this 5-liter smart air fryer is a strong addition to any kitchen.